Are you noticing your vision getting blurry? Struggling to read fine print or feeling eye strain after hours on a screen? You're not alone. In today's digital world, eye problems are becoming more common than ever. That's why we're excited to introduce iGenics, a powerful vision support supplement designed to nourish your eyes from the inside out. Whether you're dealing with age-related vision decline or simply want to protect your eyesight for years to come, iGenics offers a natural and effective solution. What is iGenics? iGenics is a premium eye health formula made with a unique combination of natural ingredients that have been clinically studied for their effects on vision. Packed with powerful antioxidants, plant extracts, and essential nutrients, iGenics helps combat oxidative stress, inflammation, and cellular damage that contribute to vision loss. This isn't just another vitamin pill. iGenics is a carefully developed supplement designed to preserve and even improve your eye health. Key benefits of iGenics. iGenics provides full-spectrum support for your eyes. It helps slow down age-related vision decline, supports sharper long-distance and close-up vision, reduces dryness and irritation, and helps protect against blue light damage from screens. Thanks to its high antioxidant content, it also fights free radicals that can damage your retina and optic nerve. Users report brighter, clearer vision and less strain in just a few weeks of consistent use. How it works. So how does iGenics actually work? The secret lies in its clinically researched ingredients like lutein, Zeaxanthin, bilberry extract, ginkgo biloba, and saffron, compounds known to protect and nourish the eye's delicate structures. These ingredients work together to reduce inflammation, improve blood flow to the eyes, and regenerate cells in the retina. Over time, iGenics strengthens your eye's defense system and enhances its ability to cope with stress from age and environment. Why people love iGenics? Thousands of satisfied customers across the globe are experiencing the difference iGenics can make. Many say they've noticed clearer vision, reduced dependence on glasses, and fewer headaches and eye strain. For people working on screens or reading daily, iGenics is a game changer. And for older adults, it's become an essential part of their daily routine to maintain independence and clarity of sight. The best part? It's 100% natural and free from harmful additives. How to use it? Using iGenics is easy. Simply take the recommended dose, usually 2 capsules a day, with a glass of water. For best results, make it a part of your daily wellness routine. While some users begin to notice improvements in just a few weeks, long-term results come with consistent use over time. And remember, healthy habits like a balanced diet, hydration, and eye rest complement the benefits of iGenics. Always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement, especially if you have an existing condition or are on medication. Conclusion: see the world more clearly. Your eyes are your windows to the world. Don't take them for granted. Whether you're protecting your vision, addressing early signs of decline, or just tired of squinting to see clearly, iGenics is your natural solution. Backed by science and trusted by thousands, this formula helps you reclaim the clarity, comfort, and confidence that come with healthy eyesight. Click the link below to get your bottle of iGenics today and take the first step toward a clearer, brighter future. Your vision deserves it. Check out the link in description of this video for official page of this product. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you've tried this product or have questions. See you in the next video.